Good morning class, myself Swarabita and now I am going to take your maths for class 1. So what we studied in our previous class, we studied practice time 2. We studied chapter number 1, practice time 2, right? So today what we will do practice time 3, chapter 1, practice time 3. Okay, practice time 3. See question number 1. Write the names shown by the following. Okay, what you have to do, we have to write the names. In this there are beads drawn. Okay, beads drawn, tens beads and ones beads. So what you have to do, we have to write the names, you have to write the number. Okay, first number A, you see tens. In the tens there is one bead, right? Because it is 1. And in the ones there are 3, right? In the ones there are 3, 1 bead, 2 bead and 3 bead. In the tens there is 1 and in the ones there is 3, 1, 2, 3. So what will be the answer? It will be 13. 1 and 3 is 13. Here tens 1 and ones is 3. That means the answer will be 13. Okay, have you understood? So what you will do the remaining one and you will show it to me. Okay, see question number 2. Draw beads to show the given numbers on the ABC. What you have to draw? In the first question beads were drawn and you have to write the numbers. And here question number 2, what you have to do? Here beads are not drawn, only numbers are given, so you have to draw the beads. Okay, see the first question is done for you. Number B, you see 11. Number B, what answer is given? Answer is given 11. Answer is given 11. So what you have to draw? You have to do one bead in the tens ones and one bead in the ones. Ones there will be one bead and in the tens there will be one bead. So it will become 11. In the tens there is 1 and in the ones there will be 1. Then one bead because 1 tens, 1 ones, right? 11. Okay. So the rest you will do it as your homework. Okay. So along with practice time 3. Practice time 3 is very small, right? So I am going to explain you practice time 4 togetherly. Practice time 3 and 4 because practice time 3 is very small. So togetherly let's study practice time 4. In the practice time 4, see question number 1. What comes just after the given number? What you will write? Given number, a number is given and we have to calculate what comes after that number. Okay, see question number A, the question is 5. So what is after 5? 6. So in the next round, in the next circle, what you will do? You will write 6. Okay, after 5 it is 6. So as the question is what comes after the given number, so you have to write 6. Okay, and the remaining you just try it and you just show it to me. Okay, see question number 2. What comes before the given number? Means a number is given. What comes before that number? You have to write that. Okay, see A, the number is given 5 and a circle is made before 5. We have to write what comes before 5 in that circle. What comes before 5? 4. 4 comes before 5. So you have to write there 4. Okay, because the question is what comes before the given number. So before 5 there is 4. So you have to write? You have to write 4. Okay, see question number C. What comes in between the number? Okay, here the before one is after, second is before and now it is between. What comes? 2 number will be given. What is in between? You have to see. Okay, see question number A is 4, then one circle, then 6, right? 4 and 6. And what is between 4 and 6? It is 5. 4 come between 4 and 6 there is 5. So what you have to write? 5. 4, 5, 6. That means between 4 and 6 in the circle you have to write 5. Okay, and the remaining you just do how the way I explained. The remaining you do it by your own. Okay, and in the next class we will do practice time 5. Okay.